What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and Hailee's got a giant smile on her face. Why is your smile so giant?
I missed this.
I know. That's exactly what I was thinking. She missed it so much. Like, it just brings back old times. She missed it so much, and she hasn't been in here for so long. She forgot to turn on all the lights.
Sorry.
Thank you. All right. I can see it. Like, are you about to cry too?
I am so emotional.
So much. So Hailee's back, as you can see. She was here today, and actually Jesse, her husband, I called you my son-in-law the other day at work. I'm like, dang, that's weird.
Wow, you're talking about us even at work.
Yeah, of course.
Wow, he loves us, guys.
I don't remember what I was saying about you, but I'm like, my son-in-law. I was like, that's weird. First time. That's like the first time I said it out loud. Yeah. But anyways, Jesse brought me a pair of shoes, a special pair of shoes to have in the video today, and he's sitting back there because he's going to have to answer some questions because I already forgot who they're from, or who wears them, but we'll talk about that in a second. So today's verse, because we got to have a word. I'm all flustered.
You're nervous to record.
We can't go any further without a word from our sponsor. Hailee, who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
This is John chapter 14, verse 26. But when the Father sends the advocate as my representative, that is the Holy Spirit, the advocate is the Holy Spirit, he will teach you everything and will remind you of everything I have told you. And that's what these shoes actually have this verse on them. So when Jesse was talking about getting these shoes, he's like, have you heard about these shoes? They actually have a Bible verse on them. And he told me a little bit more, and I was like, oh, it's kind of like Curry he has a Bible verse on his shoe. And then I think you corrected me, like, he doesn't have a Bible verse on his shoe. But I think the reason why he went with Under Armour is because Under Armour didn't say you're not allowed to write on them. Nike told him he wasn't allowed to write on them. He writes a verse on them. These actually are made with a verse on them, which is pretty cool, and this is the verse. And aren't we glad that we have the Holy Spirit as an advocate?
Mm-hmm.
Because Jesus is where?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. No, the Holy Spirit is everywhere.
Oh.
Advocating for us.
Oh.
And Jesus sits where?
Oh, I still didn't know what you were asking me. I was really thrown off.
The right hand of the Father.
I wasn't expecting this to be a question for me.
Jesus is also known as, and this is an Old Testament prophecy from Moses talking to Jacob and his son.
So are you still asking me a question? Sorry.
Judah.
Sorry.
Judah. All right, so these are the Judahs. And what did you say the Unitus Judas? Is that what they are? The Unitus Judas?
Judah ones.
Okay, Unitus Judah ones. And Jesus is known as the Lion of Judah, as prophesied in the Old Testament. That's a nice lion, isn't it?
Such a nice lion.
I
got it.
These are made in Vietnam, by the way. I just saw this. Jesse said that you got to go up a size or half a size.
If you got wide feet, go up a full size.
If you got wide feet, go up a full size. So, I've talked about many of these shoes before. All of these shoes back here, I think, pretty much everything up here, except for maybe the twos and the ones, I guess. Like when I get a shoe that I care about, that I want to make a video on, it's because it means something to me. The shoe itself means nothing to me. Like, it has no sentimental value to me. But what's on this shoe is very important. It's all right, don't worry about it. What's on this shoe is very important to me. It's Unitus Judah ones, and again, John 14:26. That's on the back. And
Show me.
On the back. There you go.
No. Okay. No. Yeah.
There's a lion on the insole. We do get. It is just a crappy Ortholite insole, but that's all right. Most Nikes come with crappy Ortholite insoles. But the gold, I like that. I think that's my favorite part of it.
I agree. Well,
the lion on the tongue.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Like my favorite design part of it.
I do like that the little eyelets are gold too on the side to match.
Yeah.
And so is Judah.
The Judahs, yeah, and we get some like cement, spattered cement, just like on a Jordan 4.
Mm-hmm. A little icy outsole.
So there is some pretty nice feeling material. It's probably synthetic, but it feels a little nubuckish, and it's stamped with some like fiery looking stuff maybe. And then this is mostly some kind of textile, but definitely going to be a durable upper. Jesse said that this cup sole in the back is also like really supportive, keeps him planted. He played in these once, and he says that this traction isn't the best in the world, but it's okay. And also, he was playing in a dusty old
elementary school.
I see there's a torch here with light shining I think that's a pretty cool touch too.
Such a cool touch.
So, I actually really like these.
Me
Not
too.
something I would wear, but I would play basketball in them.
Right.
If I was playing basketball, I would like to wear a pair of these on my feet. So.
And if you play basketball, you should get these too, because I was looking at everybody else's shoes, and not a single one looked as fly as these.
Or is any shoe in here, right?
Of course.
They weren't wearing those either.
But I would be scared to wear all these.
But these would be fly. You're right.
Yeah.
So, thanks, Jet. Oh no, and who wears these?
Jonathan Isaac.
Jonathan Isaac. Anything else? What team does he play on?
He's on the Magic.
On the Magic. So keep your eye out for Jonathan Isaac on the Magic. Give him a little shout out when you see him play.
Tell him to
He's
send
wearing
us some free
The
shoes.
Judah ones.
We're always open.
Yeah, we're always open. We're here all weekend. If we can get another pair of these for Jesse to play, he wears a size 11.5 in this shoe. But it's a cool stance to take and a move for an NBA player to make, to wear these Judah ones. So that is pretty cool.
Yep.
John, what's his name again?
Jonathan Isaac.
Jonathan Isaac. Way to go, Jonathan Isaac. Shout out. Anything else we can say about these?
There's a low top variant. These are the high top.
This is a high. Okay.
Yeah.
This doesn't look very high, but I guess it's high-ish.
I was going to show a picture.
That's all right.
Okay.
I can put it up on the screen.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
Yeah, I know.
You're a super editor.
Super editor. What else?
I think you should come play basketball with us and get you a pair of these.
I don't know about that. I got so many basketball shoes.
Yeah, I guess you don't
if
need
he
any.
wants to send me a pair, I'll definitely wear them. But otherwise,
Then that'll be the full review.
then that'll be the full review.
These are also used. They were used prior.
Yeah, these
Because
are
we
used.
had
They're not
never
new,
got
so
them before.
They're a little dirty, but it's fine. They work. And maybe we'll get another pair in here. Maybe the Judah 2s will be fresh and crispy when they come
Hopefully.
out. So smash the like button. Tell your grandma about the Unitus Judah 1s and what's his name again?
Jonathan Isaac.
Jonathan Isaacs. I'll see you all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 black cement.